Hi, in this demo, we will see how to perform instant access restore for PowerMax backup copies. To initiate from Data Manager UI, navigate to Restore, click on Assets, select PowerMax block. For this demo, I have a sample storage group. This storage group comprises of 3 volumes. All these volumes has been successfully backed up to data domain. Let's now perform an instant access for this storage group. Select PowerMax block, select the storage group and click on Restore. Select the copy, click Next, select Instant Access. So this instruction provides us how to find the client IQNs. So this is my sample Linux host, which is /15 sp4. I have already installed the iSCSI initiator, and this is my iSCSI initiator name. Copy the initiator name and input in the UI. We can add up to maximum of 8 client IQNs. In this option, we can select the protection engine that we want to utilize. If not selected, system will assign the available protection engine. Click Restore. The instant access restore process is initiated successfully. We can monitor the progress from the jobs section. The job is now successful. On the details pane, we can see the instant access session is enabled for restoring the backup copies of the storage group. Also shows the details that host can discover the iSCSI target that is available on the iSCSI server, and also provides the steps to discover the target, log into the target, and to mount the disks on the host. We will use these steps to discover and mount the disks on the Linux host. So currently I have only 2 disks on the host. We will now discover the target and log into the iSCSI target. Login is successful. Let's discover the disks. We now see all the 3 12 gig volumes is now discovered from the storage group backup copy. Let's create a directory and mount one of the disks to verify the data on the volume. We see files are available and accessible. This shows the successful instant access restore of PowerMax storage group backup copies with PowerProtect Data Manager. On the Data Manager UI, we also have the option to extend or delete the instant access session. To extend, select the session and click on Extend. You can select the number of days or the forever option. By default, the instant access session will be available for 1 day. So in this example, I'm extending for 3 days, and you can see the new expiry time has been updated. To delete the session, select and click on Delete. We can monitor the job progress in the job section. The delete instant access session job is now successful. For more details on this topic, refer PowerProtect Data Manager PowerMax Storage Array User Guide. Thanks for watching.